So why is Lyme disease testing not accurate? Well, this is really a 2 or 3 or 4 part series, but I'm not going to get into the science of it so much, but I'm going to put it in really easy to understand terms. First of all, it's not testing for all of the strains. It's testing for North American strains. It typically doesn't test for Asian strains or European strains, and yet we know those strains are here. So that's really, really important to understand. The other side of it is that we realize, and this is one of the amazing things about COVID was that we found out that some people didn't make antibodies to COVID. And then we assumed that they had no long-term immunity to it. Well, that has since been debunked. In fact, we know that there's two sides of the immune system. There's the traditional one that all of us are familiar with that say, you know what, we make antibodies to something, we develop a long-term memory, and those cells exist. Those are the ones that make those antibodies. But in certain individuals, their natural killer cells, these kind of shoot first, ask questions later cells, can often take care of it. And they have a memory to them, but they don't make antibodies. And so it's super interesting because if you don't test both sides of that, you'll have no idea if you've had the infection or not. Click to follow. I'm going to post more about what you should test when you get tested for Lyme disease.